potassium in water. Now again, potassium is kept in these bottles with oil to protect it from reacting with the oxygen and moisture in the air. I've got a piece of potassium here, and again you can see it's very dull. You can see the oil that it's been in, but again I can slice through it and nice shiny appearance. So potassium again is a reactive metal in oxygen and water. Now I'm going to slice a small bit off and I'm going to place it into the trough again. I won't add the universal indicator this time, but the universal indicator would change the same colour because you're going to make an alkali, because I want to show you it might light up when it drops in. Okay, so we've got a flame, and that flame was lilac. It's a lilac flame, potassium, when it reacts with water, and you heard that crackling at the end, and you also heard the fizzing from sodium and water, and the gas that you've made there, the gas that's coming off these tubes, you could hear the crackling. I'm going to test for that gas. I've just got a boiling tube here. I've got a boiling tube of this gas that I've collected, and I'm going to put in a splint and you get a pop. I'll try it again with another one. But the gas you make when sodium and potassium react with water is a gas that makes a pop with a lit splint, and the gas that's been made is hydrogen gas.